Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azra Akila. I come from SMP Negeri Unggul. I will perform storytelling with the title Timun Emas. Long time ago in the island of Java lived a couple of farmers. They had married for some years, but they had no children. So they prayed to a monster called Buto Ijo to give them children. Buto Ijo was a powerful monster. He granted their wish on one condition. When their children had grown up, they had to give them to Buto Ijo. The farmers agreed to his condition. Several months later, the wife was pregnant. She gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. They named her Timun Emas. The farmers were happy. Timun Emas was very healthy and very smart girl. She was also very diligent. When she was a teenager, Buto Ijo came to their house. They asked him to wait. Then, the farmers told Buto Ijo that Timun Emas still a child. When the third time Buto Ijo came to their house, their parents had prepared something for him. They gave Timun Emas several bamboo needles, seeds of cucumber, dressing, and salt. Timun, take these things. What are these things? These are your weapons. Buto Ijo will chase you. He will eat you alive. So run quickly, and if he will chase you, spread this to the ground. Now go! Timun Emas was afraid, so she ran quickly. Buto Ijo was very angry when he knew that Timun Emas had gone. Timun Emas quickly spread the seeds of cucumber. In a second, they turned into many vines of cucumber. Buto Ijo was very thirsty, so he ate them. When he was busy eating cucumber, Timun Emas could run away. But Buto Ijo ran again. When he was just several steps behind, Timun Emas threw her bamboo needles. Its time turned into bamboo trees. Buto Ijo get difficult, so Timun Emas could run farther. Buto Ijo ran again. When he almost got her again, and again Timun Emas spread the dressing. Its time turned into a lake. Buto Ijo was busy to save himself. But Buto Ijo ran again. Finally, when Timun Emas was almost gotten, she threw herself, turned into ocean. But Buto Ijo was died. Timun Emas was thankful to God and came back to her home. The moral value that we can take from the story is we have to keep fighting and never give up. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.